In the sacred land of Dilmun, where purity prevails, Enki roamed the gardens where forbidden fruit assails. God of wisdom, water, creation's endless lore, his curiosity unbounded, he sought to explore. He plucked the sacred plants, their essence rich and deep, consumed their hidden knowledge, a secret he would keep. But the earth and mother goddess, Ninhursag, full of might, saw the breach of sacred law, her wrath a blazing light. Ninhursag, the earth's mother, in fury and in pain, cursed Enki's flesh and spirit with suffering and strain. May his body bear the torment, for each plant he did consume. Let the wisdom he so cherished now become his doom. Enki's form grew weary, his essence fraught with ail. The curse of Ninhursag, a storm without avail. In agony he languished, the god of wisdom, frail, a tale of hubris and of sorrow's bitter trail. But then Ninurta, son of Enki, god of war and soil, saw his father's suffering, his heart began to toil. He sought the great Ninhursag with a plea sincere and strong, to heal the god of wisdom, to right what had gone wrong. Mother of creation, hear your son's lament. Let forgiveness guide you. Let mercy now be sent. Enki's pain is endless. His torment knows no bound. Heal him with your power. Let compassion be unbound. Ninhursag, moved by Ninurta, her anger turned to grace. She approached the ailing Enki to heal and to embrace. With herbs of sacred healing, with chants of ancient days, she mended Enki's body through the sacred ways. Each wound and every ailment her touch began to mend. The curse was slowly lifted, the pain came to an end. Enki's eyes opened wide, with gratitude profound. In the arms of Ninhursag, his healing now unbound. The gods gathered in the heavens, a balance now restored. Through conflict and through healing, their wisdom was explored. Enki's transgression pardoned, his lessons deeply learned. Ninhursag's grace and mercy through forgiveness earned. Ninurta stood in silence, his heart a beacon bright, for in his plea for mercy he brought the dawn of light. The myth of Enki and Ninhursag, a story to recall of conflict and of healing and the balance of it all. In the garden of Dilmun, where the sacred plants still grow, lies the tale of wisdom and the mercy gods bestow. Through the threads of ancient myths, in the stories we retrace, we find the path to healing and the touch of divine grace.